Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be doing the October Bellabox unboxing. So let's get into it. So, trying to set up for this video, my tripod broke for good. It's been broken for a long time, but the leg finally broke in half. So we're going to be doing this one vlog style because I have no idea and I have to leave soon and I don't know what to do, so we're doing it vlog style. But yeah, I have got the Bellabox, so I'm going to get into the packaging and see what's inside. So this month I have a pink Bellabox. Because it's Bellabox's birthday, we got to choose the colour of the box as well as the shade of one of the products inside, and I had not received a pink one before, so I was like, why not get a pink one? So yeah, let's see what's inside this birthday Bellabox. I hope it's good if it's their birthday. So the card says birthday bash and it's got all of the products inside it. That is what it looks like. Ooh. So the first thing I can see here is a pair of lashes from Model Rock. Not sure that there's a style name. These. But they look kind of like wispy and interesting, so I'm curious to see how they are because I've never tried Model Rock lashes, but I think it's awesome to include a pair of lashes in a Bellabox. Like, it's a product that everyone can use. You don't need to have a shade or something like that, so love that. Next up, we got some Swisspers face wipes, and there's 5 in this. I'm not mad about this. I would really like to use these. I'm definitely going to use them up, so like, great product. If only there was more than 5, but still love this. Oh, those Model Rock lashes were $11.95, available at their website, and the face wipes are full size is 25 wipes for $6 at Woolworths or Chemist Warehouse. Next, I have a Let's Get Naked Frizz fighter. I don't know what the brand is. TLW. The card says TLW Let's Get Naked Frizz fighter. It is 125 mils full size, $19.90, available at Neon & Co Salon Melbourne and the website. So not exactly very accessible for someone like me here in Adelaide. But I'm keen to try it because obviously I have very frizzy hair. Next, I got 2 of these facial sunscreen things from La-Roche Posay. Not that keen, to be honest. Their sample sizes are 3ml, but for a full size of 50ml is $34.95, available at Priceline, Chemist Warehouse, and Terry White Chemart. I work at a Terry White and I've never seen this on sale. But yeah, not so keen on that one. Like, I don't think I would use it. We've also got a body wash and a lotion sachet. I'd rather a shampoo and conditioner because I would use it, but sorry, my arm is so sore now. I don't know. I mean, I'll use it, but like, I don't think this is a very exciting product. However, it is the bonus sachet, so I'm not so mad about it. If that was one of like the proper samples for the box, I would be kind of annoyed. But yeah, that's the bonus, so that's okay. And the last thing in the box is the product that we got to choose the shade of. It's the Appeal Cosmetics Highlighter Drops. I chose the shade Platinum. And I got that Platinum, thank God. That's that one there. I think it's more like a rose gold, rosy toned. I thought it was going to be more like a silver, just because I was scared of the gold and the bronze ones being too dark for me. That's why I selected the Platinum. But yeah, I'm curious to try this out. I just bought the new L'Oreal ones the other day and I really like that, so I hope I really like this one. that's what that looks like there. From what I can tell, just trying to get it on my hand, the dropper thing is kind of just acts like a stick to get it out. It didn't actually, like, with the whole squeezing of the liquid thing, it didn't actually work. It didn't get the liquid in and out of the tube that way. It just basically works as like a stick. So that's kind of annoying when like product is either faulty or, you know, the design is clearly just because that's what everyone else is doing and not because it's functional, which is kind of annoying because you're just paying for packaging you're not even able to use. But overall, I think this is a really good box. We got lashes, a highlighter, a hair care product, some face wipes, and some BB cream and shit. Like, I'm not going to use some SPF BB cream thing. In terms of the lashes and the highlighter, definitely going to use, and that's more things I want to see in future boxes. I want to see more makeup, like 2 makeup products minimum, and thank God they met that this time. The Swisspers wipes I'll use, but it's not really a long life sort of product, just 5 wipes. But yeah, overall I do like this box because obviously of the lashes and the highlighter, but that's kind of it. So yeah, good box. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully I'll have a new tripod by then because my arm really hurts. Bye guys.